Alright, it looks like this may be the aircraft. If it has two blown tires, the front looks to be in working condition, and it looks like the back left, couldn't really tell from there. It looks like there may be not a whole lot to be seen there off that front wheel, but the back left wheel looks crippled or flattened, if you will. So it looks like the plane landed safely. And you can see the back left side there, the tires just kind of shredded, and it's down to the rims. So they landed safely. This is an update on the situation. That is a look right there of them landing. Looks like everybody's safe. It's the best outcome that they could have hoped for. Looks like Post Malone and everyone else on board lands safely at this airport. I'll leave a link. This has been Dabu7. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for more updates, and make sure you're subscribed to both of my channels for more. Much love, y'all.